Tim from California, y'all, the baddest antimatter blue INDORAPTOR. People from all over the country are trusting in us for their custom Raptor variant. There's many custom Raptors out there, they're phenomenal, but we know that in time, everyone will see that the INDORAPTOR is the best. So Tim is a great guy. Albert took care of him on this one. It's going to be in Arizona as well. He's big in the dove hunting, but it just touches my heart, man. I got to come out and dove hunt in Arizona, so maybe we can connect again. Can't wait to see this. This is the baddest because of the extensive amount of paintwork and customizations. It's the baddest, y'all.
Wait, Neal.
Hernan?
Neal, if this is the baddest truck, why are you wearing boots?
Hernan done called me out in front of the whole world. I mean, straight up called me out. Hernan, I got Lucchese ostrich boots on. You know, like, hey, you watch out. These ostrich boots be running, y'all.
Come on, man. That's not legit. Show them what you about.
You know, you're right. You're right, you're right, Hernan. I'll be right back. Hang on. Hernan made me go all the way home, y'all. I had to get perk correct. Some of my videos lately, I haven't brought the energy, so that's my bad. This looks so legit, y'all. And for it being legit, I got many options. I wanted to showcase our West Coast customers that we're from Georgia, we're proud, we're the champs, but we got the Atlanta Brave swag because we're the champs too. We got Atlanta Brave swag, we got Atlanta Brave swag, and the one I'm gonna break out for today, because Hernan called me out, is we elite, baby, just like them dogs. We elite, we building the elite cream of the crop INDORAPTORs. Now, because he called me out on my shoe, hang on, glass, y'all. Look at the ceramic, look at the glass. Ooh! Oh, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. For the first time ever, for the most legit antimatter blue INDORAPTOR. Real deal, your boy. What you know about it? The Air Jordan 1. What color are they? What color could they be? Ooh. Oh my God. A work of art. For a work of art, we got two celebrities in here. Let's get it on. Come on, check out my socks, dude. I got the emoji, baseball, and fire flame. These are actually my son Brady's socks. bringing the baseball heat. So we just reviewed Chipper Jones with the Chipper Jones with the Rams. So just had to rock with what we know is going. Oh my God, hey, baby, hey, Hernan, are we good now? Are we good? Let's review. Y'all know that you're either elite or you're not. There's no in between. Kirby Smart said it best, y'all, and we strive to be elite. The only way you're gonna be elite is by working your tail off. There's no substitution. You have to outwork all the competition. You have to be able to sell and market. You have to be able to train and not complain. You should be able to put your head down. If you can put your head down for a year, 2 years, 10 years, and just be laser focused on what you're trying to achieve, you will be successful. Market, y'all. If you want to be elite, just put your head down and grind without expectation. It's not about what the result is, it's about the process. It's, I'm gonna do this every single day for 10 years, not worry about the short-term results. So what we have here behind us is a culmination of 3 short years of us putting our head down and getting after it. Antimatter blue is so underrated and exquisite with all of our custom paint package. Did fender flares, front and rear bumpers as well in antimatter blue, all the detailed accents, and we incorporated a gate black in the side heat extractor, top heat extractor with a border perimeter of antimatter blue, the detail that is undeniable. Side mirrors as well, a gate black on your connecting piece. This is typically textured, antimatter blue on the outside portion, smoked out the side turn signal, phenomenal, y'all. Now you may notice too that there's no Raptor board. Replace that in lieu of an Ant Research power deployable running board to clean the lines up overall. And now we're big boy on 37s. This is a 35 package, so trusting us, like everyone else across the entire country, to roll with 37s with an RPG 1.5 inch level kit, 37, 12.5, 17 Nitto ridge grappler tire, that hybrid tire with on fuel coverts. And if you notice, this typically comes chrome, but we did Antimatter blue on the fuel logo. Again, the detail that makes us #1 or elite. Up front, the grille was a typical pesky non-premium gray. We did a gate black with Antimatter blue on the facing only, smoked out your amber markers all the way around for that true unique appearance, this subtle but discreet but so iconic. Antimatter blue on the front bumper, a gate black on your bump pad and lower grille portion, a gate black all the way throughout, as well as on your skid plate down below. The detail and definition in the depth of this Antimatter blue out here glistening in the sun, again, y'all, is simply elite. Kind of like my man Vince Carter. And you know, when I break out the Raptor jersey right here, that it is a game changer, showstopper. You know, another accessory place that's rocking like we are. We replaced the factory rigid lights down here in the lower bumper with Baja Designs LED lights. These put out so much more light. You got a street legal out here on the far side, a combo and a spotlight there. The light output is 3 times better on these than the rigid. The rigid is a dual setup. They just don't put out enough light. So this, especially when he's off-roading in this truck out west, going to be a great benefit because he's got now a great accent lighting along with rock lights underneath. Rock lights are great overall. Use rigid for these underneath, so the 360 camera will illuminate his entire camera at nighttime, so he has nighttime visibility, which means everything. Being safe at nighttime in a Raptor, that's what I'm talking about. This is my favorite shot, y'all. That side shot right there, leveled on 37s, Antimatter blue, clean and classy, looking amazing. You see that flake in the lighting there. You see the custom wheel. You know there's something special. You know it's not a regular Raptor. You know it's not a regular F-150, but an INDORAPTOR, y'all. An unbelievable overall package with a retract power bed cover with a T-slot up above. So above bed options for off-roading is endless for him. Tents, cargo racks, kayak racks, and then this rear back here, I'm gonna have to turn this thing around to fully appreciate how amazing this is. Look at this amazing tail, y'all. So detailed and defined with the Antimatter blue and the agate black and all of the accents right there. Agate black on the entire rear applique with, just like on the front, Antimatter blue on the facing only of the Ford letters, Antimatter blue on the facing only on the F-150 and on the perimeter of the Raptor. Details you will not find anywhere else. And the applique wraps into the rear tail light there, and then Antimatter blue on the perimeter there. So the extension of the applique rolls into the tail light. Hernan, I done told him we're the best too many times, y'all. Told him time after time, day after day, continuing to do what we believe in and what we know is true, y'all. That's what keeps us centered, is our gratitude. We are forever grateful for all the blessings we have in this life, but we know that there is so much more potential out there, and we're here to bring it to you on the daily. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button as well. If you want to see more heat and more high intense energy from the customization and vehicle side, Baja Designs S2 reverse lights, down here the sports as well, outcasting for reverse light at nighttime. Again, a true buttoned up, complete INDORAPTOR. Another thing that just came out that I'm super happy about is Husky rear wheel well liners. Hey, we got Husky liners out back, y'all. So the Husky liner cleans up those body lines, especially on the lighter vehicles. Love that's now in stock, so you'll see more from that from us. So just know that we always are trying to push the envelope, trying to make the INDORAPTOR and all of our custom packages the best they possibly can be. That's what we're here for. We're not here just to go through the day and make another day come to a conclusion. It's all about what can we do to maximize. If you want to maximize your custom lifestyle and maximize your everyday enjoyment of your vehicle, it's got to come from Akins and Willies. Hernan's you got, hit him up for everything auto, but nothing but great people here. So whoever you deal with, it's going to be a great experience. And please, any questions you have, hit me up. I love to connect with each one of you. It means a lot to me. For Vince Carter and Hernan and Real Deal, peace out. And for the outro, y'all, a little bit of freestyle for you to cap it off. Sit behind 5%, you can see the chin name. INDORAPTOR going crazy, make the for the kid name. If it weren't for Google, man, you wouldn't know my nickname. Peace out, y'all. Thanks so much for watching, having fun, building everybody's custom dreams.